Women are amazing and can accomplish anything. And if you're looking for side hustles for women that pay well, look no further. To find the best side hustle for you, look for opportunities that allow you to use your existing skills. Make a decision on how much money you want to make next. Then consider how much money, time, and effort you can afford to invest. A side hustle can be started from a place of passion or from something you already know how to do well. The possibilities are endless. All you need are a few tools, a strong work ethic, and an entrepreneurial mindset. That being said, we'll go over some of the best side hustles for women in this video. We've compiled a list of some of the highest paying jobs because time is money. With the gig economy on the rise, there's never been a better time to investigate side hustles for women. You can work online, part-time, or in any other capacity that suits you. Examine this list for some inspiration for your next project. 1. Offer freelancing services. Freelancing is advantageous because it allows for flexibility and the possibility of earning a full-time income. In the United States, over 70 million freelancers work, accounting for 36% of all workers. Freelancing is an excellent option if you want to work from home, pursue personal interests, or earn extra money. It also allows you to put your existing skills to good use. For example, you could immediately go out and find your own clientele. You can also join the 3 most popular freelancing sites, Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. Freelancing also offers a wide variety of industries and job categories to pursue. For instance, you can make money as a freelance writer, manage social media accounts, or do video editing. In addition, skilled graphic designers, web developers, and coders are in demand in any industry. 2. Become a bookkeeper. To begin providing bookkeeping services, all you need is a reliable internet connection, a laptop, and Zoom. Bookkeeping services can be provided online or offline, and it is an ideal side hustle for women who are proficient in math and business. Customers can range from small businesses in your neighborhood to hundreds of online entrepreneurs. Whether you operate online or in person, your clients may prefer one accounting program over another. As a result, you may need to discover and familiarize yourself with the most popular ones. 3. Start a blog. Blogging is unquestionably one of the best side hustles for women looking to make money online. It's also a great way to share your knowledge and assist others who are looking for information or advice. However, blogging is a long game that requires both a revenue strategy and a lot of effort. However, if done properly, it can be a profitable way to earn money. In reality, many bloggers in various fields make 6 and even 7 figures per year. You will be able to make money in a variety of ways. Bloggers, for example, are compensated for sponsored blog posts, affiliate marketing, and allowing advertisements on their websites. Furthermore, some provide digital or physical products such as Instagram presets, journals, or clothing. Learn how to become a blogger and start making money. 4. Proofread for businesses. The final step before publishing or sharing a document or article is proofreading. Because the hours are usually somewhat flexible, proofreading is one of the best side hustles for women. You could simply work around your full-time job. Language, spelling, punctuation, and capitalization problems and inconsistencies must be corrected. As a proofreader, you can supplement your income if you have an eye for detail and enjoy reading. You can proofread for any company that publishes newsletters or sends emails, for example. You can also sell your skills to any company that produces blogs or articles because most businesses have websites. Writers and authors may also be clients. 5. Become a transcriptionist. A transcriptionist is someone who listens to recorded or live audio recordings and records what they hear. Consider transcription services if you are fluent in another language and pay close attention to detail. You'll also have an advantage if you already work in the medical or legal fields, as those are in high demand. If you are not in the medical or legal fields, you can still provide general transcription to corporate clients. Furthermore, for women who don't have a lot of free time, working as a transcriptionist is a great side hustle. It has several benefits, one of which is the ability to work at your own pace and on your own time. 6. Tutor students. Tutoring is also one of the best side hustle opportunities for women who enjoy teaching. And, if you already have the skills and knowledge, you could make money as an online tutor or in-person teacher for almost any subject. Promote your services in your neighborhood or city. 7. Teach English online. If you want to work from home by teaching English online, consider VIP Kid. They put you in touch with kids who want to learn English. It's a one-on-one setting with short sessions. You will also save time when planning lessons. As a result, you can focus on teaching. However, because the majority of your students are from China, VIP Kid teachers work late evenings. However, depending on your schedule, this may work well with your day job. So, if you want to teach English online as a side hustle, you should consider it. 8. Sell an online course. Online courses are becoming increasingly popular as people actively seek new ways to learn new skills or expand their knowledge. They are also no longer restricted to approved schooling. Almost everything has an online course. Consider something you are exceptionally skilled at first. Consider how you will teach others to achieve your level of proficiency. Following that, create your course and begin earning money when students enroll. Selling courses is another one of those long-term side hustles for women. However, with time, it has the potential to become a good passive revenue stream. 9. Start a virtual assistant service. Administrative chores. You can offer services based on the skills you already have or want to learn. Virtual assistants typically help clients by answering emails, scheduling meetings, providing customer service, and performing bookkeeping. You can also offer more specialized virtual assistant services like social media management, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and so on, blog management, article creation, and so on. Finally, the services you provide will be determined by the tasks you enjoy performing and the types of clients you want to work with, making this one of the best side hustles for women. If you're detail-oriented and skilled at time management, working as a virtual assistant is a terrific option to supplement your income. You may also discover free virtual assistant training videos on YouTube to get started. Google also offers free courses and certifications in social networking, content marketing, and other topics. 10. Be a wedding photographer. Do you have a great eye for photography? If this is the case, you could supplement your income by working as a wedding photographer. You can schedule appointments on your own time and earn money doing something you enjoy. It can be a lucrative side business, but wedding photography work may require weekend availability. You can offer sessions with families, influencers, or local businesses in addition to wedding photography. Additionally, sites such as Shutterstock allow you to sell your photographs and earn a small commission. 11. Resell on Amazon. Reselling on marketplaces such as Amazon is an excellent side hustle for women looking to supplement their income. You can sell anything from electronics and used books to whatever your customers need. If you have a keen eye for what to resell, you should consider becoming an Amazon seller. Because Amazon's system is already in place, you don't need to build your audience. So you can focus on selecting the right products, getting stunning images, and ensuring your listing has clear descriptions and keywords. You can also fix up and flip anything you find to make it appear new. For example, painting or reupholstering furniture. Product flipping can help you make a lot of money. 12. Sell handmade products. Similarly, if you enjoy making things with your hands, you can sell them on Etsy. It is the world's largest online marketplace for handmade goods, such as embroidered items, jewelry, journals, home goods, recycled items, and many other items. Make money from your hobby. Moreover, the offerings are not limited to handcrafted physical items. You can create and sell digital products and printables to clients, such as graphics. Because digital products can quickly turn into passive revenue, it's one of the best side hustles. 13. Start an online consignment store. If you are interested in and knowledgeable about certain products, such as clothing, electronics, toys, or antiques, you could start an internet consignment store. You could also concentrate on smaller markets. Instead of selling all kinds of clothing, you could only accept children's clothing, designer brands, or vintage items. My preferred shopping method is consignment stores. And I usually shop at 3 stores that sell products that I like. And I feel confident spending money on a luxury bag there because I know the owner personally inspects each item. It could be an excellent side hustle to do in your spare time. You can either create your own website or use eBay for this purpose. 14. Walk dogs or pet sit. Dog walking and pet sitting have long been advertised as side jobs for women looking to supplement their income. And, thanks to apps like Rover and Wag, it's never been easier to connect dog walkers and responsible pet owners. The earning potential is also not insignificant. Dog walking is a great side hustle because the clients are nice, you get some exercise, and you can schedule your time. 15. Become a makeup artist. Making other women feel beautiful can earn you money. You can work as a makeup artist for events like weddings, proms, and family photos. All you need to get started are clean tools, makeup, and experience. Use social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram to promote your company. You can also arrange for clients to visit you at your home or travel to you, making this one of the best side hustle ideas for women. 16. Start a laundry service. Yes, you read that right. Start a laundry service to supplement your income. You can start your own washing service and promote it in your city as well as on social media platforms like Facebook ads. You could also look into laundry care. You can apply to become a provider, and they will help you set up your own laundry service and handle all paperwork, such as billing customers. 17. Start a cleaning service. If you enjoy cleaning as a relaxing hobby, starting a cleaning business could be the ideal side hustle for you. Cleaning houses is a relaxing task that you can do at your leisure. It can also be completed in an hour or two, depending on the level of service you provide. Set your own prices and try to attract long-term customers to turn this into a profitable side hustle. You'd need a dependable mode of transportation to get to work, so having a car is preferable. Begin with 1 or 2 clients, perform admirably, and your client base will more than double due to word of mouth. 18. Join a delivery service. You can now deliver almost anything and be compensated for it. Women's side hustles include driving people, working as couriers, food delivery drivers, and delivering groceries. If you're comfortable transporting people, you can drive for Uber or Lyft. You can also work as a food delivery driver for Uber Eats, Skip the Dishes, or DoorDash. Then there's Instacart, which delivers groceries. With any of these side hustles, you can work when and where you want. You can even select which jobs you want to pursue. However, there is one caveat. The average wage may be lower than what you see online. And your earnings are determined by the number of hours you work and how generous your clients are. 19. Sell a book you wrote. If you've written a book or have a great idea for one, you can sell it and earn royalties. This is unquestionably the best side business for women who enjoy writing. Make a decision on whether your book will be fiction or non-fiction, and then create an outline. Then comes the actual book writing and editing, followed by publication. You can either work with a traditional publisher or self-publish. Remember that a book can make you money for years as long as people continue to buy it. 20. Create an app. If you're good with technology, you might be able to create an app. You could start by creating app concepts that will help your clients or make their lives easier. Then start working on the product. You should know how to code and be familiar with app development tools. Once completed, you can sell it and profit from advertising and subscriptions. 21. Sell baked goods at home. Start a baking business in your kitchen if you're a great baker who wants to work from home. You could create a website, collect orders, bake the treats, and then deliver them. You may need to obtain a license and meet other culinary standards for this, but it can be a lucrative way to make money in your spare time. Develop new recipes, bake and package them, and sell them to loyal customers. 22. Purchase or rent out real estate. There are numerous ways to make money in real estate, making it one of the best side hustles for women. Renting out a portion of your property, such as a basement or an extra room, is the simplest and most straightforward method. You can do this by using Airbnb or by hiring a more permanent tenant. As an alternative, consider investing in REITs, real estate investment trusts. Profits will take time to appear, but you can do it. Another option is to purchase and rent out a rental home or commercial space. Obviously, some initial investment is required, but the potential rewards are enormous. 23. Be a chef. Are you an excellent cook? Make money as a personal chef. People can hire you to do their grocery shopping, plan their menus, and prepare their weekly meals. This job may require the acquisition of licenses and permits. It's a pleasant job with the possibility of working your own hours. 24. Create a subscription box service. Have you seen those adorable subscription boxes with different themes that you can purchase? From coffee to nail polish, there is a subscription box that sends products to its users on a regular basis. This is an excellent way to launch your own company. You'll need an idea, a website, and customers to get started. 25. Be a mystery shopper. Get paid to go on mystery shopping missions. Make store visits and report your findings. This will most likely include the appearance of the store, the professionalism of the employees, and so on. You also get to visit places you enjoy, making it an excellent side hustle for women who enjoy shopping. Earn more money with these profitable side hustles for women. To get started with side hustle ideas for women, start with something you're good at. If you want to make more money, try our completely free Build Your Business bundle. Remember to save and invest the money you earn from your side hustle so you can reach your financial goals.